Okay, so let's understand the different parts of a plant first. Okay, this chapter is about the plant only, and we will learn about the different parts of the plant first. Then we will move to the leaf. Okay. So as we have learned in the class also that plant is having the different parts. So first part is that root. You can see a small plant is here, and under the soil which part is there? Roots. Okay, there are the roots, and first part that is grown in the plant is only roots, and after that the stem is coming out of that soil, and then the different parts are grow in a different timing periods. So you can see here it is having the stem. You can see here it is having that green stem. Yes or no?
Yes.
And some plants are having that brown stem. Okay, different small plants are having the green stem, and the bigger trees are having that brown stem, and all the plants are having that green leaves. And then what is grown? Bud, then flower and fruit. So here we will learn, this chapter is telling about the leaves only. So let's learn about some leaves. You can see here different types of leaves are there. Here some small leaves are there, you can see. Let me pluck a leaf here for you all. Let's see this. This is a very small leaf. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let me pluck a big one. See, this is the big leaf. Yes or no?
Yes.
There is a difference in the size and shape. Yes or no? Okay, you can say the color also. But both are the green leaf. Now let me explain you this. There are some parts of a leaf. Okay? There are some parts of a leaf. They both are different in shape and size, but both are having the same parts. Okay? That we have learned in the lecture. That first of all, this leaf is having two faces. This is the upper and this is the lower. Okay? Which the side which is properly green in color, and that is very smooth. That is very smooth. That is the upper part. And the lower part, that is little bit light green, and that is a rough. Okay, you can touch here. One of you come here. Come. You can touch here. This part is smooth, and this one is rough. Okay, this part is smooth and green, and this is the rough and little bit light green. Same in this leaf also. You can see this upper part is the dark green, and this one is the
Light green.
Okay, so let's learn about this leaf part. First of all, this is having this green part that you can see. Yes or no? That green part is called leaf blade. Yes or no? It is used to trap the sunlight. Whatever sunlight we are getting na, so that leaf blade is trapping the sunlight. वो sunlight को लेता है. ठीक है? माने. And you can see one tube. See, at the lower part you can see a tube is running through the middle of a leaf. है ये वाला. This part. Can you see what that part is called? Midrib or main vein. Middle नहीं, main vein. ठीक है? Midrib or main vein. ठीक है? And next part is that you can see little veins are coming from that main vein. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Some veins are coming from that midrib. What that ribs are called?
Side
Side veins. क्या बोलते हैं उनको?
Side veins.
What is the function of that side veins? It is allowing water to transport to the each and every part of the plant. ठीक है? कि जो ये sunlight यहाँ पे आएगी, जो water यहाँ तक हमें पहुँचाना है, तो उसके लिए what we will need? we will need the side veins and midrib. ठीक है? Yes or no? And now one part is also there. What does this part is called?
Leaf apex.
Leaf apex. What does this part of a leaf called?
Leaf apex.
And now, what is present on the upper surface of the leaf? यहाँ पे stomata. ठीक है? In some leaf, stomata is present on the upper part. In different leaves, some of the leaf stomata is present on the lower part of a leaf. ठीक है? There is a different place for the stomata. And what does leaf do through that stomata? Stomata से क्या करता है? Breathing. Gaseous process, gaseous exchange process is done by the stomata only. For that, and stomata is doing a major role for the photosynthesis. Okay? Now photosynthesis means that leaf is making the food in the presence of sunlight, air, वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है? तो ये सब चीज़ों के लिए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चाहिए, तो उसके लिए स्टोमाटा इज प्रेजेंट देयर ऑन द लीफ, बट वी कांट सी दैट. ठीक है? वी कांट सी दैट फ्रॉम आवर अनएडेड आईज. ठीक है? हम अपनी खुली आंखों से, अपनी आंखों से स्टोमाटा को देख पाते नहीं है. उसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए?
माइक्रोस्कोप.
ठीक है? माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए. उसके लिए further on we will see that stomata on the microscope if it will be possible from the school only. ठीक है? इतना समझ आया? Okay, now let me know why we can see this leaf as a green color.
Because
There is a substance present in this leaf and that substance color is green and that is called chlorophyll. समझ आया? And that is why that is green in color. Some different leaves are also of the different color. ठीक है? Yes or no? Different color. So that color can be pink, that color can be red. So that are having the different substance. Yes or no? ठीक है? Now let's move forward to see different types of and shapes of a leaf. You can see here this leaf is long. See here that its stem is very thick. You can see this. Yes or no? Stem is very thick. ठीक है? And brown in color and its shape is long. You can see. Long shape is there. Okay. Then leaf blade is also dark and light green. Yes or no? You can see the midrib. Yes or no? You can see the side veins. Green color. Yes or no? Leaf apex is there. See, every leaf is having this leaf. Now we can see here. This plant is having the leaf or not? Yes. Which is the leaf? Can you tell me? Okay, this is that. आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो तो इसका जो ये लीफ है ये लिटिल बिट, दिस वन यू कैन सी, दिस वन इतना सा है. मैं दिखा रही हूँ, सबको दिखा. सी इतना सा है. सी दिख रहा है सबको? डोंट पुश ईच अदर, आई एम कमिंग टू यू. सी, कैन यू सी दैट? कैन यू सी दिस? Okay. So every plant is having different shape and size leaf. Let's move further. Come.
My name is Jian Desai and today I am explaining the part of the leaf. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Leaf blade contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. There is a thin tube which is attached to the run through middle of the leaf. It is called midrib or main vein. Some other tubes which are attached to the midrib is called side vein. Side vein help the leaf transfer food to the all part of the body. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bhavya Hunt. I study in the 4th grade. Good morning. My name is Yashwant Sharma from class 4D. Let's understand photosynthesis with the plant. Plant create their food in the presence of the sun. sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and very closely together. In the process of photosynthesis, the plants take carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. Chlorophyll present in the leaves of the plant reflects the sunlight. During photosynthesis, the energy of the sunlight is used to prepare food by the water and carbon dioxide to make glucose and oxygen. The glucose stored in the